Looking in the bird bath for water.
There used to be water in there.
Did there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And it was raining a lot. Yeah.
Oh,
and
yeah.
It got filled up with water, and their dogs started drinking out of it. And it's like, oh, I better empty that. Good dog.
Okay, no need to keep plowing up the back 40. And he's off.
Where you going, bud? Following Shiloh?
There we go. There we go. I think Daisy wants Shiloh to chase Daisy, and Shiloh wants to chase.
Yeah, it's always a tough, choice as to who's chasing who.
Where are you going, Bob? Oh, you're trying to get your skin.
I can't get him to look. What out!
Bubba, take it off what you took off. You won't take off with that on you, will you?
Yeah, he doesn't seem to, so it's a good thing to know.
Sometimes, I do that with Daisy. I'll put the leash on her collar,
Mm-hmm.
and I'll just let her drag it. When I'm going up to the common house, yeah, the common house, and when I am taking trash, I usually put the leash on her, just so that if she does decide to take off, there's something I can grab her with, and she tends to stick closer by just by just having that leash there.
Yeah,
So,
I think it's, I would agree with you.
There.